Hello everyone and welcome back to the Module 3 all about optimizing your tool. Now, as you can imagine, we talked in the first section about rules over tools. I'm going to continually say that because it just sounds good. But in this section, we're going to talk about 3-month audits. Now, 3-month auditing is something that I previously did with most of my applications to help really tune and continually bring it forward. It's something that I still do with my Todoist setup. That's why I release a video every 3 months with a new setup or slightly tweaked setup, because I'm always learning and then applying my learnings in batches to my tools. And this can be really important for you. So the concept of a 3-month audit is every single 3 months is to sit down and evaluate how you're using a tool. Now, this is important to understand before we dive in. When you find an issue or you notice an issue in those 3 months, it's important not to switch or change tools. It's really important to flag that issue and bring it up in your 3-monthly audit. Now, let's say you just bought a new house or you have a house. If the boiler breaks, you don't move house, you fix the boiler. And that's the same way you should approach to-do list applications. You should pick the problem up, flag it, and make sure you're ready to look at it in the audit. So for example, we've provided some workbook or a sheet that will help you to do that 3-month audit, to actually evaluate some of the issues you may be having with the application and how you can solve it. So for example, maybe you're having an issue with an underutilized feature. I found this is a huge issue with filters, and in Todoist, I'm paying premium, so filters should be used really, because I guess you're underutilizing the tool. So I decided to look a little bit deeper into how I was using filters in my last audit and have started introducing a few new filters. So as you can imagine, this has helped different aspects of my productivity. I'm now taking more advantage of different views than I wasn't before. But it's important to be able to understand if you have a problem. It could be something specific. For example, like you may be struggling with the way that you're processing your calendar inside of the to-do list application, or it may be a sync issue that you're having with a certain connection. You can find a solution to it, and this sheet should help you to actually find an actionable solution that will help you move forward. Maybe it's a bug that you're having. File it with their team. Maybe it's something that you can fix by reading one of the books that are out there to help you further your learnings about a specific feature and how to take full advantage of it. Or maybe it's overload and you're snowballing your tasks, which means that you are moving them to the next day naturally, in which you can learn about on a video. And we'll be providing plenty of resources later on, which might help you to build a sort of support network around you. But what's really important is these 3-month audits, and you should use the sheet below. Every single 3 months, sit down with the application and say, what's going well and what's going not so well? And then you can really reevaluate where you can be improving. So later on, guys, we'll be introducing a few things like workflows and people that might be recommended for those workflows, and ways to really optimize your tool using courses, reviews, keeping updated with the news and things like that can help you further improve your application. So hopefully you walk away with a better understanding of how to do better 3-monthly audits. So guys, I look forward to some of your feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them, francesco@keepproductive.com. In the next section, we're actually going to be diving into temptations. I want to hit hard home. Can't remember the phrase. But we're actually going to be helping you to really understand the principles of reducing temptations in your daily routine when it comes to other to-do list applications that may just look so good that you may want to try them, which is a bad habit. So guys, join me in the next section. And we'll dive into that. Cheers, everyone.